Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This is the look that I went for today. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, then just keep watching. Then I'm going to be using the JCat Beauty All About That Base eyeshadow primer. Daisy Marquez Cosmetics Palette. And it's super cute. Opens up like this. Has a mirror. And these are the colors. Gorgeous colors. I'm going to start I'm gonna start by using this brush here. This is a BH Cosmetics brush, and I'm gonna go in with the color Passion Fruit, which is right here. So with that color, I'm gonna put that in my crease. Just kind of set that in there. My hair looks kind of crazy right now, you guys. I literally just threw it up in a bun. I don't know what to do with it. It's just awkward length, and because I cut it myself, I just screwed it up. It's just horrible. But I am getting a haircut soon, so I'm excited about that. Okay, so kind of like that. And blend it out a little bit. Then I'm going to take this brush. This is a crease brush from Moda Pro brushes. And I'm gonna take this color right here, Dulce, and a little bit of the yellow. And I'm gonna use that to blend it out. So it's gonna go in like this. I'll go back again a little bit. With this Sigma blending brush, E36, and I'm gonna go in with Bittersweet, which is kind of the same color as this one. This is Passion Fruit, just a darker kind of maroon color. So I'm going like that, just to deepen this out. And I'm kind of keeping it just in this area. I don't really want it out too much. I was trying to have this more of a subtle. And sorry if my lighting is kind of weird. I have a window on this side and then the ring light here, so I don't know if this is working out. I'm trying to figure out better lighting. I also want to get a different camera because I don't really like this camera. I can't really see myself when I'm filming, so if I'm out of focus, things like that, I don't really know. Okay, so I'm going to go in next with this little brush. I'm not sure where it's from, but just a little, a little flat brush. And I'm going to go in with some concealer just to cut the crease right here. So I'm going to do kind of like a half cut crease, not all the way. Okay. I think that came out okay. Oh shoot. There you go. Okay, so like so. And then I'm gonna go in with the like a Tiffany blue color. It's called Daisy. I'm going in with the Pixie E01 brush. Okay. And after you put that Daisy color, I'm going in again with the passion fruit. And I'm gonna kind of just blend in this area. Darken it out, have that whole like blended look. It's not the same. So I'm just gonna very carefully kind of darken this. So after that, I'm gonna take a Sigma E47 brush, and I'm going to take a little bit of the black eyeshadow that's on this palette, which is called Matter. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that just here. I'm patting very softly. I don't want it like a dark black, just kind of like a shade. Create more dimension. Since I'm not going to be putting any liner, I'm just going to put on some lashes. Foundation, the Full Spectrum Matte Ambition foundation from CoverGirl. I'm using two colors, light golden and light cool. So far, I am liking this foundation. I've tried the other, oh my god, CoverGirl foundation, and I did like it, but then after a while, it kind of just, I feel like it's good to switch up your foundation every once in a while, because then your skin just starts kind of, but I love matte foundations, and this is a matte foundation, so anything. Foundation is on. For concealer, I wanted to use the CoverGirl one that they sent me, but it was actually too dark, and it's supposed to be a light color. I cannot find it, but it's not light enough for me, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my shade tape. And for contour, I'm gonna use the CoverGirl concealer in deep, what color is it? Deep Cool. So we're gonna use this to contour. So just go in here. I really just did that. That's just perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and blend in my concealer first. And I'm using a Real Techniques brush, the setting brush. But I'm using it to blend my concealer. I feel like it does a pretty good job and pretty fast. To blend out my contour, I'm going to use this little, I need to wash it bad, but it's from Real Techniques, the little like circle beauty blender thing. I've never used this concealer from CoverGirl to contour, you guys, so this is kind of not working out right now. I usually, okay, you guys, so don't do this. Whoa, this totally like just ruined it. Okay, this, you guys, do not use this concealer to contour at all, because I feel like, do you guys see that? It's like lines, like it's not blending out at all. Freaking jeez. This is horrible. Okay, I'm gonna try to fix it and I'll be back. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and bronze with the NYX Highlight and Contour Palette. Kind of like this. Let's see. I'm gonna go in. This is horrible, you guys. This is so patchy. And I was trying to look for my hula stick to try to like, maybe it'll blend it out, you know, but no, I don't even know where that is right now. Gordo, you don't play with that, baby. Sí, bebé. Sí, gordo. I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eyes with the Airspun translucent, and I'm just gonna do a little bit. And I put it on my nose. Sometimes it gets shiny. Sí, gordo. Wow, that looks terrible. You guys, this is like fail. Like such a fail right now. I thought that concealer would have been perfect. Nope. Never ever gonna use that. This is horrible. Hot freaking mess. Like, it's so patchy. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but it's just, it's horrible. Horrible. And I'm gonna have to walk around like this. CoverGirl. Ooh, that's my son. CoverGirl Look Lock Up Spray. And let's set this highlight. We're gonna do CoverGirl Sculpt Expert Versatile Cheek Palette. Gordo, you're gonna lock me out of the computer, baby. This is pretty. See, maybe this will help kind of like not look so crazy. Right, Golo? Mama looks crazy. Oh my god. Nope. Wow. I feel like it looks almost muddy. Alright, so for the bottom, I'm going to use Bittersweet and Passion Fruit. First, I'm going to apply Bittersweet, which is the darker. Oh my god. Luca. Luca. Okay, then I'm going to go in with the passion fruit. Sorry guys, now I'm trying to rush it because Luca is grabbing everything. He was so for lip color, I'm going to go in with the NYX matte lip liner in the color Club Hopper. I think I need to go a little close up for this. I thought I would fix my hair a little bit because I look crazy. Lip color, I'm going to go in with, scared to put that down, CoverGirl Melting Pouting Pout Matte in the color Champagne Showers. Ooh, camera's moving. Luca. Okay, so this is the look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. This is the palette I use once again, Daisy Marquez and BH Cosmetics. If you guys can get it, I would recommend it. You can do so much with the colors in this palette. I love it. So thank you guys so much for watching, even though it was a kind of crazy video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.